Morning, guys. Happy Friday, y'all. It's 18 degrees here this morning. Not too enjoyable so far. Got the old cat warming up. Gonna have to exercise it before we get started this morning. We can only get one truck today, so it's definitely gonna be a slow delivery process on getting our material in here this morning. But what are you gonna do? So we definitely made pretty good progress yesterday. We're definitely over our halfway mark. For this back area here, Ed's gonna have to put his bucket on backwards and backfill it nice and slow. It's gonna be a little tough. But what the plan is to dump the load right on top of that inlet. So we bought a piece of plywood and a plate, keep it from filling up with material. And if Ed sits there, the pile's here, he'll be able to bail that dirt right over there without tracking around. Load 1 has arrived. Thanks to GAP. Thank you, Grip. Load number 1.
Yeah. I'm not old, I'm just experienced.
Alright guys, so we're up to grade on a lot of these bays. All the back bays are done. This one here, half of it's 100% done. That far one over there is done. The second full one's done. The third one is full and done. And then that fourth bay, we're working on it now. We'll be doing it in a second. So, right there and all those little sills there, that's what we call them in construction. We have to make sure we get all the dirt out of there and debris. Make sure we straighten out the rebar, because there's gonna be a guy coming in here and putting block in here and setting at the height for the structure. And obviously they're gonna have to come out here, and the concrete company will be putting a slab on here. But first thing they'll put in here is a mud mat, and inside of that mud mat they're going to be putting in refrigerant pipes to keep the floor frozen. So me and Ed are just going to make sure we get tops all these walls cleaned off, looking nice, but more importantly, all the sills have to be cleaned up. Got my Milwaukee blower ready to blow them off. We did get all this backfilled anyway. Bowling graded out the front, made it look nice. We graded all around the sides. Didn't have any hand raking really, Ed did it all. So, all the bays are filled for safety. We have our barricades in, and I know there's supposed to be rebar hats, but call precision on that one, guys. Just kidding. What's up, Griff?
Hi, Mom!
Thanks, Griff!